Alright, today we are going to put a flagpole in the ground. We're just going to show you a quick way. It's still in the box. We will take it all out. So basically we're gonna dig a 2-foot hole here, and then we're gonna put some rocks in the bottom of it, fill it with the concrete with the sleeve for the pole, and then from then on we will let the concrete dry and then show you how to put the flagpole up with the flag under it. Pretty something simple and all, but my mom got it for Christmas, so we get the project of putting it together, don't we? Yeah. Alright, so basically a little cool trick is if you measure from here to here at 2 foot with your pencil mark, right, which I already had the marks here because I've done it in the past, but basically when you're digging deep into the ground, you keep dig, and when you get the dirt to here, to your pencil mark, you know you're 2 foot deep, and now you don't have to keep measuring your hole. Just a little trick, so that way when you're digging, you keep dig till you get to here, so that way we know. Alright, look at you with the post hole digger. Take your time, let's wash your toes.
When I work, Daddy plays.
When you work, Daddy plays?
Mm-hmm. I see some yellow stuff down here, Dada.
Yellow stuff?
Yeah.
It's called clay.
Wait, clay?
Alright, so here's the sleeve, which the pole for the flagpole goes in. It reads that it's supposed to be out of the dirt slightly, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, which when I do it right now, it's almost flush. So we're gonna put some rocks in the bottom of it to bring it up a little higher before we put the concrete on top of it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. We got a pipe, we got rocks at the bottom, and the pipe's sitting, I don't know if you can tell, about 3 inches or so taller than the ground. So now we want to pour concrete all the way around the sleeve. Alright, so when it comes to the concrete, what we're going to do is pour the dry mix in halfway, fill it with water, and then mix that, and then fill it with water again. So we're just going to mix it in the hole opposed to mixing it in a bucket. I know people will push a wheelbarrow around or mix in a bucket and pour it out of the bucket. We're going to mix the concrete right in the hole. A little easier. I don't know if you've done it before, but you'll see. And then stir it up with a stick, any kind of stick you want. So.
I'm not playing. Not playing.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the flagpole going together here. As you can tell, it's one of those turns and tightens. But we ended up doing a solar light. Hey, I can see myself in the ball. Hello! Anyways, and then it's got on the bottom here an on and off, and then how bright you want the lights. So it's pretty cool set up. The golden ball just goes straight through, and then once our hole, which she's over there still playing with it, once the hole is concreted dry, we will put it together. Alright, so this is day 2. went ahead and waited for the concrete to dry, mounted the dirt up, spread it around, So all we're gonna do is put this in a hole where it belongs. We got the sleeve here that we buried, right? Well, that's it. And then you can help me hook the flag up, okay?
Yay.
Okay. So the blue goes up top. You know how to put the alligator clamp on? Like this. Okay. Wanna do it? Right there. Okay. Now we're gonna slide it up a little bit. This one goes all the way up. It's all flapping in the wind. Alright, well come over here, let's say goodbye to the YouTube friends.
Goodbye.
Alright y'all, so this was just a Christmas project that we had to put together for my mom, right? You had to help grandma out.
Yeah.
So did you have fun using the pole hole diggers?
Yes.
Dig the hole?
That was fun.
How are your muscles? They hurting today?
No.
Oh, you did good?
Yes.
Alright, well thanks for watching. We'll put some new ones up coming soon.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.